Welcome to Login to Learn podcasts, North Lanarkshire Library's Learning Takeaway. This series of podcasts will help you to revise for Module 1 of your ECDL course, the European Computer Driving Licence. And don't forget, if at any time you want to know more, you can always visit our website at www.logintolearn.com. This podcast will provide you with information to help with solving some of the problems you may need to deal with whilst using your computer. Everyone who uses a computer will become aware that from time to time problems can occur. This can be due to operator error or due to a problem with hardware or software. Errors may be indicated by flashing lights, beeps of various tones, or by a frozen display or missing cursor. In many cases, you will be alerted to a problem by an on-screen message or prompt, which may give instructions on how to deal with the problem. Sometimes an application may encounter a problem and have to close down. You may notice the screen go blank, the cursor may be stuck, or look like an egg timer. Your iPod screen should now be showing a typical alert message. You can see from this that you would have a choice in this situation, either to end the program or wait to see if it corrects itself. You are also warned that if you opt to end the program, you will lose any data that hasn't been saved. This illustrates how important it is to save your work regularly. Sometimes peripheral devices may not respond to your commands. For example, a printer may fail to print. If this happens, first check the connection between the device and the computer, ensuring all cables are properly fixed and that the power to the device is on. Again, using the example of a printer, make sure the printer is loaded with paper and has enough ink to deal with your request. If the problem is not resolved after following these measures, you may need to ask for help. In the work environment, there is usually an IT support section, which will normally have prescribed methods of reporting errors. It's important to report errors effectively. If the computer has displayed an error message, make a note of it. Describe what you were trying to do when the error occurred. Often you will find that programs you use have built-in help menus which can assist in your troubleshooting and understanding of features. If you're having problems with your computer's hardware, you can access the Device Manager to check if each item is functioning properly. This feature allows you to monitor and troubleshoot any hardware problems that you might have encountered. You can also manage printers, computer performance, networking, and change basic settings such as date, time, and sound. These features can be accessed via the Control Panel. To look at the Device Manager, click on the Start button and select Control Panel. Double-click the System icon, and when the dialog box appears, select the Hardware tab. Then click the Device Manager button. An example of this is now shown. To view a particular device, click the plus sign at the left of the appropriate category. To see the properties for that device, right-click on it and select Properties. The dialog box will tell you if the device is working properly. Close any dialog box in the Device Manager, but leave Control Panel open. Look at the icons in the Control Panel. This is where you can change and interrogate all of the main settings for the computer. Double-click on some of the different icons to see what can be changed or viewed. Do not change any settings. Close any open windows. Any software that is currently running can be viewed and managed using the Task Manager. Right-click on any blank part of the taskbar. This is the bar across the bottom of the screen, and select Task Manager. In this example diagram, all programs are running. You can use the Task Manager to check for programs that are not responding. For example, if the screen freezes, and can end that program safely by clicking End Task. The Task Manager can also be displayed by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Close any open windows. Thank you for listening to our podcast on problem solving. For other podcasts to help you complete the European Computer Driving Licence and more information on our services, go to our website at www.logintolearn.com or call our free phone help number at 0800 953 1010.